Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to reset this phone. This is Infinix Hot. So you're going to press the volume key and the up key and the power button, and then you wait for the phone to unlock, to turn on. Then when you see the logo, then you release the button. So when you release the button, it's going to go to command mode. Command mode. So we have a sequence. You're going to click the volume down key, power button, and the volume up key. Then to take you to recovery mode. So when you reach recovery mode, you're going to go to wipe cache partition. Then you click the power key and you use the volume keys to navigate. You hold yes. Then you go down to wipe data and factory reset. So when you reach on factory reset, you click the power key. Then it will take you here, and you have to make sure that you agree that it's going to delete everything in your phone. It's going to wipe everything. Click the power key to accept changes. So then the phone will restart, and you click the power key. The phone will restart and start loading the files. And this is how you can remove patterns and passwords from your phone. Then after it will ask for a Gmail account if you have one. So what you're going to do next here, you're going to stop from here and let the phone finish the process. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.